Lovely red poll there and a goldie cock. Split lutino cock and canary. Not getting on too well at the minute, if I'm honest. Seem to be doing a lot of fighting. It does sharp settle down. I think she's a bit of a grumpy sod, to be honest. You can hear her now, chipping away. Cool. So puffing herself up, she doesn't want him near. Split Latino cock. Lovely looking chap then. What else have I got? With a goldie cock there. Red dimorphic hen. That makes some lovely looking little chicks then. Same again on this side. Red dimorphic and goldie cock. Another goldie cock there. Split red-eyed hen. She's a little bit poorly today, I don't know what's going on with her. Don't seem to want to move. This morning I went in and she was sat in the food pot. She's come a little bit lame, but you get that through winter. Sometimes you lose a lot of hens really, due to cold. She's the best. Red-eyed, yellow dimorphic hen. Get some good variegated mules off her. So, like as you can see, I've took the dividers out today. Let them have a bit of a bond. And today is a big day for the painting. Give everything a good freshen up while it's January today. Well, not January today like, but you know what I mean. Everything's getting a good freshen up. Ready to let the birds settle February, March. So, I shall show you the finishing touches later. I hope they're off again, them two. It's like watching two chicken cocks fighting. The sods.